Hey everyone, today we are diving into a deep and really interesting question. Does the world actually change or does it just seem like it? And trust me, this question is much older than you think. Three ancient philosophers gave three very different answers: Parmenides, Heraclitus, and Empedocles. Let's break it down in simple words. Parmenides said that nothing ever changes. Parmenides believed something very strange. Whatever is real has always been there and will always be there. He said nothing new can ever truly be created because nothing comes from nothing. And if something changes, then the old thing is gone and something new is created. But how that can be possible? How can something just appear from nowhere? So, according to him, change is an illusion. What we see, things growing, dying, transforming, it all just looks like change, but the reality behind it never actually changes. Parmenides believed that the true reality is beyond our senses. What we think is changing is really not. Because we haven't understood the true nature of things. Nothing new is being created or destroyed. Everything is just the same. It's always been there. Once we understand this, the illusion of change will no longer deceive us. Heraclitus said everything is always changing. Now, Heraclitus totally disagreed. He said, no, change is not an illusion, change is the only truth. He is famous for saying, you can't step into the same river twice because the water is always flowing. Everything is moving, everything is becoming something else. He used fire as a symbol of reality. Fire is always changing shape, always active. So, according to Heraclitus, the universe is like fire, constantly shifting. So, what did Heraclitus believe? The world is not fixed. The nature of reality is change. Nothing stays the same. He didn't really explain where the world came from, but he tried to describe what the world is like. A world that's constantly changing and flowing. Empedocles. Both were right in a way. Then came Empedocles, and he said, you are both kind of right. He said, yes, there is change, but that change happens by mixing and separating four eternal elements: earth, air, fire, and water. These four things can never change themselves, but they keep combining and separating into new forms. So, when we see a tree growing, or someone dying, or clouds forming, the form is changing, but the ingredients stays the same. So, Empedocles' idea was change is real, but it's not an illusion. It's made from something permanent. What we can learn from this? So, what can we learn from these ancient debates? Sometimes we get stuck thinking things never change, but they do. And sometimes we think change means loss. Even today, we ask the same questions: what is real? Is anything permanent? Are we just changing forms? And that's the power of philosophy. It helps us see the world differently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if anything was confusing or you have your own thoughts, drop a comment below. I would love to talk about. Thanks for watching and keep questioning the world around you.